Hello everyone. Once you've decided that there's no automation in the automation hub that fits your needs, Transposit lets you create your own custom automations. For example, let's use the thumbnail service to create an automation to let incident responders take a snapshot or screenshot of a website. Once you've clicked the Create a New Incident button and given your automation a name, click within the main workflow, specify that you want to create an action, and then look for the action that lets you create new screenshots. To get started, let's hard-code a URL to quickly see if the action does what we'd expect. We've already defined our integration with the thumbnail service. We select it here, and we click Save and then Test. Notice how fast we've moved from selecting a service to testing it out in Transposit. We run the test and we see a screenshot is made of the URL we provided. Now let's provide a way for the incident responder to provide a URL of their choice. For this we use a user input item, which we move above the action that makes the screenshot, so that we can feed the output from the user input item into the action that takes the screenshot. Next we'll design our user input form, which means tweaking the default dialog a bit to fit our needs. Let's now replace the hard-coded URL with a dynamic parameter by selecting the input ID that provides the value entered by the incident responder in the dialog. As before, we save and test to make sure that everything works as expected. This time we have a user input form neatly added at the start of the process. Go back to the designer where we tweaked the simple dialog and notice that we can make far more complex and fine-tuned dialogues here, since we have access to all kinds of input elements. Next, let's plug our screenshot capturing automation into an incident type, so that it will be available to our team's incident responders. Finally, there it is, available to incident responders at the click of a button or automatically when an incident is created.